Alright, just left the UPS store. The seatbelts came in this morning, and they actually came in on time because we got the car done yesterday. So we're gonna throw the seatbelts on. If you guys didn't watch the previous videos, I sent over the seatbelts to Safety Restore to get them redone in red. I know I was gonna do blue, but the blue doesn't really match the interior as much. The red has the red stripe down the middle, and also has the red calipers and stuff. So I'm like, maybe that will work out pretty good. So those are back in. We're gonna install those today. We're also gonna do the diffuser. We're gonna do the front splitter. We gotta put the decals on that say ACR. We gotta do the decal for the hood. So a lot of the stuff that are just kind of the small little things are gonna be finishing it up, and then we'll take it back out, get it washed, and we'll see how it looks. actually on the way. He should be at the airport by now to pick up his build. This was actually the second build that I started, but ended up finishing first. I don't know how that happened. But this was the guy that sent me 2 cars. He had the white and blue Charger, and he sent me the red 300. And it came out real nice. I'm actually really happy with this one. Is that him calling right now? Yep, that's him. All right, so he's already at the shop, but I just want to give you a quick walk around before we get there. This one, really just a regular 300 Hellcat. We didn't do any mods to it or anything like that, other than a cold air intake. Put a K in a cold air intake for him. He already had the oil separator on there. I didn't put that on there. This plug was on the old harness, and I have no idea what it goes to. It was like an aftermarket plug that plugged in something else. I don't know if it was like a security system or something like that, but he sent me this hood too. It's a Viper style hood. This is actually the same hood that I have. Same style hood. We did the same vents. We did the black vents. That's like probably the best hood you can get on these cars. He went with a really good carbon fiber splitter. Looks really good on this car. I really like this color. I wish my red was like this red. I have a different type of red. It's like more of like that tool cart. We put the SRT grill on there, SRT badge, Hellcat badges. These are pretty nice. I took these off the red eye that I had before, and I ordered them from the dealer. 5-spoke Hellcat wheels with brand new tires. It does have a mid muffler bleed. That's why it sounds a lot better. The interior. Oh, we did tint the windows too. I did 20% all the way around ceramic tint. He has to keep these up for a couple days. Got the red guts, red seat belts. Now, from this old car, due to the accident, the seat belts were locked up, so I had to get these repaired. But they're like new now. This one didn't have a sunroof, but I would recommend them doing like a star headliner. It would look really good in there. That's about it. No lights on the dash. He did have a light on the dash for the supercharger cooler being bad, so I replaced that for him, and now everything is good. I also did wire this clock, so this clock works too. And everything's literally, if you sit in here, looks like this car just rolled off the assembly line. Everything is 100%. I didn't shortcut anything. Everything's good. So we're gonna go ahead and drive to the dealer. I'm not sure why it does that. It has something to do with this light over here, but it gives him like an error for this mirror. But this is the same mirror that came off his Charger, so I had to do something with that. This one also has nav, but see what it says. Vehicle phone service required, whatever that means. But good to go. So we're gonna head down to the shop, show him the car, and get his reaction. That intake's on good. So the other one, I picked it up from the upholstery shop. We did a custom interior on it. It's actually at the shop right now, so I'll show you guys that when I get there. But this thing drives real good. He's gonna be happy with it. All right, we're here. I'm not sure if they're still outside. There he is.
He's going right with this motherfucker.
Yep. Go ahead, hop in.
Good too.
Just don't roll the windows down for a couple days. Hey, where'd you buy this from? The carbon fiber one. I want to get one of those. Did it?
So good.
That's your new intake right there. Yeah. Remember the old one, bro, was clogged up. Like the car wasn't even breathing right.
I'm gonna get this clean. I was gonna get it.
Yeah, you can do all that when you get back.
Coated, but I was just clean.
Okay.
Probably time.
Yeah. I wasn't sure what this was right here. Did you have anything hooked up to the other hood or something? Or just an extra plug? It looks like somebody wired it up. It's not hurting anything, it's just there.
That too.
Yeah.
I think, I don't know if it's the intake or what I sound. It sounds way better than
Yeah, here, what's up, What's up, man? You good?
That's why you kept saying I'm done.
Yeah, see how it sound good?
Yeah,
When you told me to take the other one off, I'm like, man, that's gonna be too much.
Yeah. Also, you didn't take no stuff off.
No, I just up the way it is. It sound good, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's up in there, but everything's up, man. Go ahead, take it on spin. You can sit in the front. Oh, let me grab a mat. I don't want to get this back dirty. I'll be right back. Yeah, we're leaving. Hey, that wheel lock they got on there, I put the key in that glove box. You should do the star headliner on her.
I was finna do it.
Yeah.
I had asked your brother to do it, but then.
You guys don't got people down there that do?
Do, but I don't trust people in St. Louis working.
Yeah, yeah.
They should stop working.
Yeah. And you see the SRT bar right there? Well, just like your charger now, so.
Yeah.
If you hit that, you can put it in track mode and all that.
They drive better than anything.
They get down. It's pretty fast.
They drive better than your work.
Because remember when it first came in, it was running terrible.
Yeah.
Had a vacuum leak and stuff.
That came from the accident.
Yeah.
But right before I had got it towed from one spot to another, and they weren't doing it.
It wasn't doing that?
They weren't doing it. That's why when the man picked it up, it started sounding like that.
Yeah.
I was like, what the fuck?
Put it in track mode. Hit the SRT button. Then put it in track.
It's a track.
It's not good as that.
Boy got your silver one.
Yeah, I seen the video. He still got it?
Yeah, it's painted.
He painted
orange.
it? Oh, okay.
Well, he wrapped it orange.
Yeah, I seen the video.
I was finna buy it
Were you?
from him. He wanted to give it to me, but he wanted too much for it.
That was the original one, man.
Yeah, because it came from Lil Baby. He wanted to try to crack it.
Yeah.
He was trying to buy your elephant.
Was he? Oh, was that the same guy?
Yeah.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
He was trying to get you to put the elephant in the seat.
Yeah.
He was trying to buy it himself, you know.
But he wanted it when it was a red eye. We're talking about the same guy? He wanted it when it was a red eye.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah. He got the Hellcat Durango too, right?
Yeah, he had.
I know what you're talking about.
So fast.
You about to have fun of this.
There's only 2 of these in the city too.
Yeah. Oh, they know you're doing it?
Huh?
They know in the city you're coming up with one? Nah. You're just about to pop out, huh?
Nobody. Nobody in the city. And you don't even see the original.
Nah. I mean, this color on this one's real nice too.
I was
It
gonna
pops out.
change it, and then I saw it. I'm like,
No, it looks real good. told him he should change the headlight bulbs, make them white, so it matches the LEDs.